Welcome to our channel, eTechniz. In this video, we will talk about Windows 10 taskbar not working. I want you to watch the complete video before you opt for any step given in this video. So stay tuned, and watch the complete video. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Press the Ctrl, Shift and Escape to launch the Task Manager. Click on More Details if not getting the complete screen of Task Manager. Search for Windows Explorer. Click on the Processes tab. Right-click on Windows Explorer. Select Restart. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer via Command Prompt. If Windows icon or Cortana search showing up, then type Command Prompt and click Open, otherwise press Windows icon and R. And type CMD to open Command Prompt. Type task kill /f/imexplorer.exe. Command given in the description. And press Enter. As you can see, everything disappear. To bring back everything, you have to type explorer.exe and press Enter. This will restart everything and bring back taskbar which was not working correctly. Method 3. Certain apps not launching. A probable cause of Windows 10 taskbar is not working is because specific apps start at the start of your computer and conflict with the functioning of the taskbar. So let's disable apps from being launched at the startup of your computer. Press Windows icon and R. Type ms-settings: and press Enter. Click on Apps. On the left-hand side, click Startup. Here disable the apps which you do not want to come up when you start your Windows. Sometimes some types of apps cause a problem to the taskbar, and if you turn it off, then it will not cause any problem. Method 4. Create new account. Sometimes, unusual involuntary tasks may end up creating harm to the center features of the operation. Your Windows 10 taskbar not working obtained the outcome of activity like that. In these circumstances, it's worth examining if the taskbar works in different user account on your computer. It'll then address you and approach what made the problem, and you can make your effort to fix it. First, let's create a test account. Press Windows icon and R. Type ms-settings: and press Enter. Click on Accounts. On the left side, click on Family and Other Users. Click Add someone else to this PC. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a users without a Microsoft account. Type username and secure password to create an account. If you want to know how to delete user profile in Windows 10, then link is given in the description. Once the account set up, log into that account and check it. If in your test account your taskbar is showing up properly and not showing up in your other account which was you using, then your account might be corrupted. Method 5. Check the updates. Press Windows icon and R. Type ms-settings: and press Enter. Click on Update and Security. You'll see the information to update your Windows. You can update it from here. After update restarts your PC. Method 6. RollBack Windows Update. Press Windows icon and R. Type the same command. Click on Update and Security. On left side, click on Recovery. Click Get Started and go back to the previous version of Windows 10. Method 7. System restore. Press Windows icon and R. Type sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click System Protection. Click on System Restore. Click Next. Choose your restore point. Click Next. Click on Finish. Click Yes to restore your system. It will restore all of your previous settings. That's all for today. Do not forget to click on subscribe button and select all on the bell notification. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. And do let us know which method is the best method to fix Windows 10 taskbar not working. Thanks for watching.